QooCam Ego Tutorial. Share and download files. Download app. Search for QooCam in the App Store and download the app. Or you can scan the QR code above to download. Then, open the app. Create a QooCam account. Tap Setting in the button right corner and select Sign or Register. Tap Register and enter your email address. Then, get and enter the verification code. Set up a password. Confirm, and the register is finished. Connect to the Wi-Fi. Swipe down the screen and light up the Wi-Fi icon. Then, tap the setting icon and turn on Wi-Fi in the menu of it. Login. Select Account in the Settings menu and log in with your email and password. Sharing. Enter the playback interface and choose the photo or video you want to share. Then, tap the three-dot icon in the button right corner to share. You can set a validity period and choose to create a password. After uploading, a sharing code is generated. Remember the 4-digit code and share it with other Ego users. Download with a sharing code. Swipe down the screen, tap the download icon and enter the sharing code. Letters are case insensitive. Select Confirm, and the shared content will be downloaded to your album.